Hey, hi. In this session, we'll see like how we are going to install or set up TypeScript into Windows system. So let's quickly get into this series of steps to be followed to install this TypeScript and set up the TypeScript compiler, and then immediately we'll shall go for writing sample program. So if you want to install TypeScript, so we have some prerequisites. One thing is you must have Node package, Node.js package manager, I can say, because this TypeScript is having right dependency with Node.js, that is npm Node Package Manager or Node.js Package Manager. Because this TypeScript is something which is server client server technology, wherein you are going to execute your code right along with or with the help of npm or Node.js. It has dependency with Node.js. Node is the server technology which is going to execute your code, and then it pass the information to the client for doing client operations. So the prerequisites to install TypeScript is we should have a Node.js package manager, right? And once a Node.js package manager is installed, you need to install TypeScript. Once you install TypeScript, you will get TypeScript compiler, right? And after that, you need to have editor wherein you just start writing your TypeScript. So these three are main important prerequisites to start working with TypeScript. Okay, so the prerequisites to install TypeScript. One is npm. I can say this is Node.js package manager. Second thing is TypeScript, right? Third is editor. So these three are prerequisites to write your TypeScript program. So what is this Node.js basically? Okay, what is this Node.js? And why Node.js is used in TypeScript? Okay, whereas this JavaScript is very simple technology wherein it is just going to execute at client side browser level. But when it comes to TypeScript, right, it requires Node.js because these are the powerful combinations, but it's important to note understand their distinct roles as well. Okay. So as I mentioned, this TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So this definitely require a node dependency. Okay. So by using TypeScript with Node.js, developers can benefit from static typing, which helps catch errors during development and improves code maintainability. Okay. So TypeScript is available as package on the npm registry available as a TypeScript. So you'll have to install npm first, that is Node.js, and then install the package of TypeScript from the npm. Okay. So how to install this npm first? So thing is, right, you have to go to the Node.js. Okay. The Node.js in the sense the website of Node.js downloads, and you just install this Node.js download. So where it provides you the Node.js, and you just download this. Okay, and with that you'll get npm package manager, right? And with that you will just install whatever package you wanted. Okay, so Node.js install or download. So it will just show you like the package manager wherein you just download this and install, right? Oops. So just download this, and it is just downloading Node.js, and with that you are going to install it. Okay. When I click on download, so what it will do is it is just downloading. Okay, the Node.js stuff. Okay, using that Node.js stuff, you directly install this Node.js into your Windows system. Okay, as I already installed my Node.js, hence I'll have Node software. So this is what Node software I'm having it inside because I installed, right? When I say Node version, it is giving me the latest version because I already installed this Node.js. Okay, if you're not installing it, right, you have to choose here like Windows, and then you use it whatever way of doing it, like chocolatey or Docker, or directly download this Node.js, right, and install from the MSIL or Node.js extension which is downloading into your browser. Okay, I think it should have downloaded, right? No, not yet. Okay, let me try this. Node.js and downloads, and this is the latest version. And I need in Windows. And if what is this PowerShell? I think you can install same thing using PowerShell script also, but we wanted to install from the Node.js. So there is that Node.js download. Open the tab. Okay, it should have download, right? Node.js download. Node.js download. Yeah, this way you'll get MSI file of Node.js, and you just start, using of this Node.js. Okay, once it is downloaded, let me go back here. I think I'll go back here, and I'll be seeing here. This is how the Node.js MSI file is downloading it here. 20 version. Let me check my version. This is same version, right? You can see 20 or 15.0, and now I think one more minor version here. It is like point one. I have 20.15.0. So once you get this installation file into your browser or downloads path, start downloading it. Just double click on it. It is going to install this node package, right, into your system. This is how I install. Okay. So once you install this, so what you have to do is, let me close this. So after coming here, like I already installed it, right? So now my next thing is I have to install TypeScript now because the TypeScript is available instead of npm. Okay, so I installed Node.js, and when I install Node.js, I think npm also is get installed. You can check that also, npm node package manager. So now I'm going to install the TypeScript now. Okay, so when I look at this steps, like first I just installed npm, and then now I'm going to try, I'm trying to install TypeScript. Okay, so there are different ways to install TypeScript. One thing is you need to install through npm, or you just install from editor. Like if you look at editors, this is what my editor, you just go and check this TypeScript plugin extension. It will give you the extension of TypeScript, and with that you just install the TypeScript. Okay, this is TypeScript extension. I'm going to install it through, Visual Studio Code, right? This is the TypeScript extension. Okay. If you just install it, it is going to install this TypeScript. Okay. This is one way of installing. Other way was you just directly install from npm because you already installed Node.js and you install through Node.js. Okay. So ways to install TypeScript. One thing is install from Node.js. Second thing is install, right, TypeScript plugin from the right ID. Okay, whatever ID you are using it. from that ID, you just install the plugin of TypeScript and you just start writing program in TypeScript. Okay. Now I'm going with the first approach because I already installed npm. So let me open my command prompt. Okay. So in coming here, my command prompt, right? So I'm just trying to install my TypeScript. Okay. You have already seen that my node version, node.js or npm version is properly displaying it. That means already installed node.js. Okay. So if you want to install the TypeScript, you need to use npm install TypeScript. Okay. You just type npm install TypeScript. Okay. And when I say like -z, right, it means that it is going to install as a global model wherein you just access the TypeScript from anywhere in of your system. Okay. So if you wanted to install latest of a TypeScript, okay, and at the rate latest, you can say that after TypeScript at the rate latest -z. That's how it is going to install. Okay. So already this TypeScript also I got installed in my system, hence TypeScript hyphen version. So TSC, I think. Yeah, here it is. So the TypeScript new version, latest version is 5.5.3. So you can see that. You have to refer like TSC, TypeScript compiler, hyphen version. That's the way of validating whether the TypeScript is installed or not. Okay. So once you install this, the TypeScript, right? So then your system is ready for writing the TypeScript program, right? Using any editor here. Okay. So only thing is you need to understand that how we are going to install TypeScript and how you are going to start writing a program. Because as I mentioned, there are two ways of installing TypeScript. One is like using npm package manager. Other thing is using Node.js. Okay, the command is right npm install TypeScript at the rate latest -g or npm install TypeScript -g. Okay. So there are other options also we have like npm install TypeScript -save dev, which will have dev dependencies. It is just a development version. It is going to be installed. Once it is done, you need to just check this TSC sorry version so that it will tell you the version of a TypeScript being installed in your system. Okay. So these are the ways of installing TypeScript. Anyway, so in my system, I already have npm and I already have script, TypeScript, and I already have editor. Like in this case, this is the editor I'm going to use it. Now I'll see like how I'm going to write a sample program. Okay. So with this, I think the installation part is right done. Like the easiest steps we have it here to install TypeScript through npm. This is Node.js package manager. So if you have npm installed already in your system, you can directly install TypeScript globally in your computer by just using npm install TypeScript -z. Okay. So that's how you're just installing it your TypeScript. So now we'll see like how we're going to write some sample program in the coming session. Okay. Thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Right. Thank you.